Once more, again. All right. Hello there. So, as you guys know, I'm going to do the Nokia phone ringtone. So, without further ado, let's do it. There might be a lot of mistake that I'm going to make because I haven't fully mastered this skill yet, but it's okay. Ever since I'm still a beginner with, yeah, kinda clueless what I'm about to say right now, but just letting everything cross on my mind and just say it. Alright then. Very nice indeed. Let's try once more. Maybe we could make it perfect a little bit. What about trying to make it even better? Alright, they just become even more worse, but let's just keep trying and we might succeed though. Yeah. Yep, a lot of mistake, but there's a lot of take. So it's guessed. I guess it's a good try. So yeah, right.